What's good, my ride or dies? So today I got the chicken sandwich. Now I got the chicken sandwich probably like 3 weeks ago, and it was good. Chicken sandwich, these are fries. It was pretty good. And hold on, let me put my window down. But I'm trying to see if they tried something else or something, because I don't know if a celebrity co-signed the sandwich. I want to say I seen Shaq co-sign it, because I didn't hear nobody talk about the chicken sandwich, and it's been out for a while. So I wanted to see, you know, did they do anything different or whatever, because, you know, social media is in a frenzy. So I thought I'll do my review in the car. I've been busy working and grinding, so I said fuck it, I'm gonna do it in the car. Let's see what this chicken sandwich tastes like. So they have it wrapped up, and oh my god, they gave me this little bit of sauce. I should go back inside. Like, what am I supposed to do with this sauce? I'm already upset. Let's see. Chicken sandwich good. I do need some more sauce, because I'm not really tasting the sauce. So all that flavor and zest everyone been getting, I'm not getting, because I don't have all the sauce. They gave me, like, they must have ran out of sauce. Spicy sauce. Like, there's nothing spicy to this sandwich. But the sandwich is tender. It's definitely juicy. I might have to add something on this shit, because I'm missing the main thing, which is the spicy sauce. And I messed up, because I should have checked the damn sandwich when I was in there. But overall, the sandwich isn't bad. But it's supposed to be spicy. This is really a classic. Woo. Because I don't have the sauce on it. Now, anybody that knows me know I don't like Chick-fil-A sandwiches at all. They're dry as hell. I don't know how people like that place. I just ain't never been a fan of Chick-fil-A. Never been a fan. Never been a fan of it. Well, what I order this again? Hell yeah, I will order this again. I mean, for $4, can't beat that. Definitely worth going. I would try them. Make sure you tell them to put sauce on your sandwich, because as you can see, I don't have any. So this is my review. Popeye sandwich is definitely better than Chick-fil-A. I would buy this any day, anytime, anywhere. You know, on a drunk night, this sandwich would be perfect. for a drunk night. Like, be perfect. You can get a combo. I got a combo for $7.02. But I'm gonna cut this video short for the simple fact the VMAs is in Jersey tonight. I'm going to catch the red carpet at 7 o'clock. So this is my Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich review. Thank you for chilling with me for these 5 minutes as I review this sandwich. Thank you.